There you go. Good morning, Mr. Hicks. How are you? Good afternoon. Can you hear me? Mr. Hicks, can you hear me? There, Dan, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Judge.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm trying to figure out. Oh, there he goes. Mr. Hicks, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. Calling a case of People versus Brian Hicks. Good morning. Good morning. This matter was set for a live bench trial. My understanding is that the victim's in the parking lot.
Yes, Your Honor, she's been in the building. I brought her in, sat down, spoke with her about the case. After doing so, I spoke with Mr. Bitar, extended an amended offer to him. The victim is currently outside in her car for social distancing purposes, but she is here.
So
The
what are we
amended
gonna,
offer-
pardon?
I'm sorry. The amended offer in the case would be for the defendant to plead to disorderly person, and the people would agree to a sentence under advisement of a 6-month probationary period and agree that it can be non-reporting probation, as he's already left the state for personal reasons.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Hicks?
Yes.
I'll amend this to a disorderly. Do you understand that by pleading guilty to this added count, that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice or rights form, that you're not going to have a trial, how long am I deferring this for, Mr. King?
The agreement was for 6 months.
6 months. Upon successful completion of the 6-month period, payment of $400 in costs, this case will be dismissed. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Is it true that on or about February the 3rd of 2014, you were in Van Buren Township and you were acting in a disorderly fashion?
I don't recall, but I don't even remember it.
I'll do it as a no contest.
Thank you, Judge.
Alex, any other questions, Mr. Bitar?
Judge, he's moved on. There's no other questions. We would just ask for some leniency with respect to fines and costs.
It's an old case. I'll reduce it by $100. I got to pay the state and stuff. So I'll make it $300. Do you need time to pay that, Mr. Hicks?
Yeah, is it a certain amount of time I need to pay, or I can just pay it in the 6-month time?
I can do, why don't I do a payment plan of $50 a month?
Okay.
Okay, all right. Anything else? We
No,
have
Your
your
Honor. Thank
email
you.
and your cell phone. We'll be in touch and we'll send you the payment plan. All right, no trouble for 6 months and I'll pull your record and dismiss.